Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the G sharp minor composed of the B, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. And the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. And you will be playing and holding these chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you will need to play this chart 4 times for the introduction. Then you'll move on to the verse. Here's the new chart with the same beginning, but you will have 2 new chords, the E major composed of the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of E, and the B major composed of the B, the D sharp, and the F sharp, and the bass note of B. I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands down. And you play this chart one last time. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me down. And here's the chart for the upcoming pre-chorus and one additional chord, the C sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. And chorus that you will play with this chord, either pressed or held. I felt alive and I can't complain. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. Or you could have held these chords like this. Felt alive and I can't complain. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. In order to play the second verse and the second pre-chorus, you will need to reuse the corresponding charts and replay everything one more time. But there's going to be a slight change in the second chorus. Here's the chart. Oh no, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home. Okay, so you repeat this first section 3 times and you finish with the C sharp minor held for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And following this section, you will reach the bridge. Here's the chart. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running. And you repeat this chart 2 more times. And here's the last chart that you will need to play until the end of the song, so covering either the pre-chorus and the chorus. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. And you're going to repeat this second section 6 times, knowing that the E major will only be played 3 times during the 6th repetition. You will then play the F sharp major once and finish this song with the C sharp minor chord. I wish you good luck and I will see you in the next one.